How to send diamonds in Mobile Legends. What's up everyone? In today's video I'll show you guys how you can send diamonds to anyone on MLBB. So let's just get right into it. The very first thing you're going to have to do is locate your friend list from your home screen. That is on the right side of your screen. And if you tap on this friends icon, you should be able to see all of your in-game friends. And if you want to see someone that you are following, you'll have your Facebook friends, then your close friends, as well as your followers and following. Now, if you want to give someone a diamond, you just have to tap on their profile. And right besides that, you have the option called chat. So just tap on this chat option. You can send them any message you want. And right besides the send button, you are going to have this gift icon. Just tap on it. Now you have different options that you can gift, like this the first gift that costs 20 diamonds. There are other gifts that you can do as well for a different amount of diamonds. So just choose the gift that you want to send, and you should be able to send them diamonds with those gifts. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.